We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1962 Corvette Fuelie. Numbers matching, engine, transmission, frame off, rotisserie restoration to the highest level. This is just a stunning vehicle. Absolute work of art. There'll be over 100 detailed pictures of this vehicle at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, help us grow our channel. Just stunning restoration. All the chrome, trim, bright work on this vehicle is just top notch. Great body lines. Again, all the chrome, trim, bright work is just fantastic. Top, dash, everything. Hubcaps, you name it. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Complete numbers matching. Underneath of this vehicle is just breathtaking. Just amazing. Impeccable condition. You want to pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you'd like to come out and check this out in person, just forward us your flight itinerary. You fly into Lambert International, St. Louis International, one and the same. Be more than happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses. We're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, about a 25-minute drive from the international airport. Put it up on a lift, take it out, make sure it's a good fit. If you can't do it yourself, we're happy to accommodate a third-party inspection. We welcome them. Title odometer reads 81,931. The odometer does I should say the title does read actual from the state. Just drop dead gorgeous. Gonna take it for a ride. Tight for me. Love the car though. fantastic on the car. We just wiped it down. We haven't even polished it. Again, all the chrome trim bright work is just spectacular on the car. Car runs and rides and drives like it should. Great running, strong driving. Finally got a little bit nicer weather from our deep freeze last week. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find over 100 detailed pictures. Please look underneath. Look at the underneath pictures of this car. It's just remarkable how nice this car is underneath. Probably the nicest Corvette. I've had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of C1, C2 Corvettes, and by far the nicest one I've ever had. www.westportautocenter.com, 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. Thanks for watching.